So this is Andy with Glue Tread. We've been getting a lot of questions online about how many CO2 cartridges it will take to blow up a side-by-side tire. This is a 30-inch tire, so we're going to go ahead and blow this up for you right now. We have two kits on our website that can kind of help with this. The first one is the emergency inflation kit. This comes with two 16-gram cartridges. We're going to go ahead and use this kit instead today. This is the all-in-one deluxe. There's 4 cartridges included in this kit. So I've already screwed the chuck into this tire. You want to make sure you have this insulation piece because this does get really cold. So I'm going to go ahead and now screw this into the chuck here. And you'll be able to see as this tire inflates from these cartridges. So that's 4 16-gram cartridges there. I'm going to go ahead and use this to show you how many PSI we got. Get this off of here. So that's got us up to 8.5 PSI there. That's generally about what we run these at anyway. So yeah, that's about all you need for that. And we'll be back later with more videos on the ATV, UTVs, and tractors. Appreciate it.